Hi, my dear students. In this video lesson, we will understand about word boundary. Basically, this word boundary we have seen in few examples. So let us discuss this word boundary in detail. So backslash small b is used for word boundary, and this word boundary is used to match the boundary between a word and a non-word character. Now, in most of the programming languages, the word is like small letter a to small letter z, capital letter A to capital letter Z, and then hyphen. But some programming language also accepts a hyphen or a comma, etc. So basically, word boundary matches positions where one side is a word character and the other side is non-word character. And the opposite of this word boundary is not a word boundary. And this is represented using backslash capital B. So let us take one example of this word boundary. So here you see that I have this file and I have just copied this from some external source. So it says I started working on big M mainframes. So you can see that there is a spelling mistake here, and again it says kindly maintain the code properly using indentation, and again it says small letter a, maintainability of the code is important. So again this is not a correct word logically, and again the next sentence it says this is not your mainstay, and if you move forward there is a number here that is 7 mainly, and at end it says the main point is to capture a hidden code which is khkhst ampersand. Now suppose my requirement is to capture a full word called main. So you see that in this entire text area we have the word present here, that is this is the only full word. Apart from that you see that main is used here, but this is not the full word, this is the part of this word. Similarly main is used here as well, but again this is not a full word, it is part of this word, right? So most of the time this backslash b is used for capturing the entire words. Okay, so what I'll do is let us try to capture this main. So if I just try to match this main, I'll start with writing main, and you see that it has captured this main also, here also, again it has captured this main, this main, this main, and this main, but I only want to capture this main. So my requirement is to match only this main. So this is the full word and these are all part of words, right? So if I just give backslash b here, you see that now it has not captured this main. So this backslash b marks a word boundary and there is no word boundary here. So that is the reason it has not captured this main from this big M mainframes. Similarly, you see that it has captured here because before this there is a space. So space is a non-word character. Similarly here you see that there is a space, so it has captured this, but it has not captured this because before this M there is no word boundary, right? So this small a is not a word boundary, right? And if you just move forward here, you see that it has captured this main as well, and this has ignored this 7 mainly, and it has also ignored here a mainstream media. In that we also see that it has main, but it has not captured this as well. Now what I'll do is, again if I just give backslash b, you see that it has captured the main only from this line because we have again given a word boundary. So after this n you see that there is a word boundary, but apart from this main there is no character or there is no word where you see a word boundary after this n. So here also you don't have any word boundary, here also we don't have any word boundary, here also we have a continuous character, we don't have a non-word character here. So this is how we can use backslash b as word boundary. Now let us see if we just give backslash b. So you see that these are all word boundary. So here before the start of the line it is a word boundary, then between two words it is a word boundary, And if you just see here before the end, you see that before this ampersand also we have this word boundary, right? Now let us just try to give backslash capital B, and you see that it has captured everything which is non-word boundary. And if I simply give backslash B main, you see that it has captured this because there is a non-word boundary here. So it has captured this, it has captured this, and this has captured this as well. But since there is a boundary here, so it has not captured this, and this has not captured this as well. Similarly, if I just give a backslash capital B here, so it has captured only these two. And if you see here at the top, it has captured this main because this M is a word character, and due to this reason it has captured this as well. And here also it has captured this main, right? So in this way we can use a backslash small b and a backslash capital B. Now in most of the practical scenarios which I have seen, most of the time we use a backslash small b and we use backslash capital B very less number of times. So it is all dependent on your requirement. So based on your requirement, you have to use either backslash small b or backslash capital B. So this marks the end of this section on word boundary and not a word boundary. So thanks for joining. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, take care.